YouTube, what is up? It's your boy DanLeeFlea back at it with another reaction video. This time to BI Waterfall, the live film. I know you guys were saying, he's been a new solo artist. He's doing his own production now, so I'm interested. Let's hear it. Uh, oh, ooh, oh.
내 이름은 괴물, 내 이름은 죄인, 내 이름은 위선자, 내 이름은 pain. 빌어먹을 재능, 내 이름을 나 아니면 누가 그래 누가 기억해. I got a lot of pain. 인생은 새 노래, 끝이 없는 고뇌, 마음속에 공백을 채워가는 여행. 부끄러운 과거 전부 씻어내면 씻어질 수 있기를 하늘에 빌어보네. 손에 쥐고 있던 모든 걸 내려놓고 나서 앞이가 제대로 통해. 고백 담아놨던 모든 것을 꺼내. 바다를 닮은 눈물색을 이 밖으로 토해. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져.
What the fuck is this? Where is this happening? So, I'm assuming all these like bad names he's calling himself are things that the public slash media have referred to him by, right? Because I know he was like an outcast for a little bit, right? That the public slash media have referred to him as, yeah.
What's my name? What's my name? What I am, what I am. 물이 되어 흘러가는 흐름대로 살아가려 해. 무너진 그 단어 속에 숨겨진 깊이를 이해하니 새로운 미래가 그려짐. 들어진 호흡 다시 가다듬고 사라지는 것들의 미련을 전부 놔야지. 이야기엔 커져버린 관념, 관명 속의 전쟁터에서 목적 없이 싸워. 우선 마시고 정신 똑바로 차려. 실은 역시 관대에서 나를 다시 살려. Waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. I'm a waterfall 춤을 추는 waterfall. 하늘 위를 나는 듯이 떨어져. 고마운 나의 사람들, 생의 모든 인연, 생의 모든 기억 어쩌면 그건 다 기적. 마음을 다 내려놓고 머릿속도 비워. 치열했던 시간들과 따가웠던 시선, 소리치던 내 목소리 코맹맹이 빔. 헝클어진 머리카락처럼 엉켜있는 감정 빗어내고 나가야지. 떨어짐과 동시에 새롭게 시작하는 폭포. That's me.
Oh! This is really cool. So a lot of cool things about this actually. I think the beat is really like unique. When I first heard the vocal in the beat, it reminded me a lot of Freddie Mercury. Like as right, like it has that feel to it, that 느낌 to it, and I think this concept of being a waterfall, continuous, falling from the heaven. But I think the important thing that you have to really think about, the waterfall, always adds to the body of water below it. So he's continually growing and always striving to be more. That's sort of the message I got. This video and song is a really cool, introduction to him, I think, as a, single artist. So I'm excited to see what he comes up with next, because I know he was key. He was a key player, an icon, right? So to be a solo artist, to have that freedom, freedom of expression. I think it's gonna be really cool to see, you know, what can Bi do alone. So yeah, I thought it was really cool, really interesting video. That's a Bi Waterfall. Let me know what you guys thought about the song in the comment section below. And of course, if you guys have a future reaction video you guys want me to make sure to let me know in the comments. Until next time, guys, have a good day.